The vast sea stretches under the sun's gaze, its surface shimmering, awaiting the fisherman's cast. Kai, a solitary figure against the expansive horizon, prepares to cast his net with practiced ease. With a sweeping motion, Kai releases his net, sending it soaring over the water, a dance as old as time. The net descends, creating ripples on the water, as Kai patiently awaits the ocean's bounty. Sunlight dances on the waves, as Kai, a familiar silhouette, embodies the timeless connection between man and sea. Kai stands in quiet anticipation, a symbol of unwavering dedication etched against the backdrop of the endless sea. The sea stretches out, a vast expanse under the relentless sun. A distant figure flails against the current. Kai spots Lena struggling and without pause, prepares to act. Kai dives into the turbulent sea, driven by urgency. He propels himself through the waves, intent on reaching Lena. On the golden beach, Kai struggles, dragging Lena's lifeless form from the ocean's grasp. His chest heaves, his face a canvas of raw, desperate concern as he kneels beside her. In a moment of life or death urgency, Kai begins CPR, his hands pressing down on Lena's chest. A tense silence hangs in the air, broken only when Lena coughs violently, expelling seawater. Her eyes flutter open, her gaze meeting Kai's anxious stare. A spark of life rekindled. Sunlight floods Kai's humble cottage, illuminating the silent drama within. Lena lies pale in bed, the weight of Kai's sacrifice slowly dawning on her. Kai watches over Lena, his face etched with deep concern. Her voice a mere whisper. Lena acknowledges the profound debt. "I owe you my life." Lena struggles to sit up. Kai gently pushes her back onto the pillow. Days later, in the seaside village, Kai and Lena stroll along the shore, their laughter mingling with the ocean breeze. Stories are exchanged, creating a symphony of shared experiences against the backdrop of the endless sea. Side by side, they sit, their hands moving with practiced ease as they mend fishing nets, their movements a dance of collaboration. Initial gratitude blossoms into affection, their bond deepening with each shared sunrise and gentle wave. In the quiet rhythm of their days, a profound connection is forged, promising a future woven with shared dreams and mutual understanding. The cliff stands majestically against the backdrop of a sunset painted across the sky. Kai and Lena stand side by side, sharing a quiet moment as the wind dances through their hair. The powerful sound of crashing waves fills the air, underscoring the raw beauty of their surroundings. Kai turns to Lena, his eyes reflecting the warmth of the setting sun as he speaks. "Lena, saving you was the best catch of my life." Bathed in the warm glow of sunlight, the village church stands adorned with vibrant flowers, ready to celebrate a momentous day. Before the altar, Kai and Lena stand hand in hand, ready to exchange vows of eternal love. The community gathers, their faces radiant with happiness, as they witness the union of two souls. The sea, once a symbol of sorrow, now shimmers peacefully in the distance, reflecting their enduring bond. Kai and Lena exchange vows, their voices filled with love and hope. On a serene beach at sunset, Kai and Lena, now bound by marriage, stroll hand in hand, their figures silhouetted against the golden sky. With hearts full of hope, they pause to release a lantern into the heavens, its gentle glow mirroring their shared dreams. The lantern ascends, carrying their wishes into the vast expanse above, a symbol of their enduring love and future promises. The warm light of the lantern dances in the twilight, casting a soft glow on their faces, illuminating their shared joy. As the lantern drifts away, their intertwined hands remain clasped, a testament to their unwavering bond and the journey ahead. The camera pulls back, revealing the boundless ocean stretching to the horizon, a majestic backdrop to their timeless love story.